Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you some amazing cloth folding hacks that will make your life a whole lot neater. So let's get started. First up, the classic t-shirt fold. Lay your t-shirt flat on a surface. Take the bottom hem and fold it up about a third of the way. Then fold one side of the shirt toward the center and repeat with the other side. Finally, fold the shirt in half from the bottom to the top, and voila, you have got a perfectly folded t-shirt. Next, let's tackle those pesky hoodies. Lay your hoodies with the hood flat on a surface. Fold the arm across the back so they create a straight line. Then fold the bottom part of the hoodies up until it meets the top of the shoulders. Now fold the hoodies in half, bringing the bottom part to the top. Easy peasy. Now onto the infamous fitted sheet. Start by holding the sheet inside out with your hands in two adjustable corners. With your arm inside the sheet, bring your hands together and tuck one corner into the other. Repeat this on the other side. Now lay the sheet flat on a surface and smooth out any wrinkles. Fold it in third lengthwise and then in half. Your fitted sheet is now perfectly folded. Finally, let's talk about jeans. Lay your jeans flat on a surface and fold one leg over the other. Then fold the jeans in half, bringing the waistband to the hemline. Tuck the folded jeans in half again if needed. Congratulations, you have mastered the art of folding jeans. With these easy clothes folding hacks, your wardrobe will always look organized and tidy. No more heaps of clothes spilling up. We hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more organizing tips and tricks. Happy folding. Thank you so much for turning in. If you enjoyed this video and found these cloth folding hacks useful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more innovative organization hacks. Until next time, happy folding.